opportunity for everyone to move from concern to action. Don't think that you are helpless because you are only one person. Your voice and your vote will make a difference. Your voice and your vote will ensure that the only term that this government gets is a prison term. Your voice and your vote will be cast not just so that this campaign ends up being about the next election. This campaign is about rescuing Jamaica and ensuring that you secure a future for the next generation, your children and grandchildren. So comrades, with time is short, please don't be weary in well-doing. Come out, raise your voice wherever you can. Organize, organize, organize. Ensure you put a worthy candidate in Parliament as your representative, a medical doctor who has served this community, not a crude and vulgar little man. This constituency deserves better than warming. Mama Lashley, we know in that. We want good representation in Parliament. Comrades, one love, one house.